I added eggs with garlic and I was surprised with the results. We'll use 100 grams of garlic, 3 eggs, and let's put it all together this way as you can see on the video, okay? Then let's add 2 more eggs and let's mix everything very well, crush it. After crushing it very well, add the butter. I'm adding 3 tablespoons here and also 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, 250 milliliters of milk, dry yeast, and now just mix it all, okay, until it's all dissolved. I'm also adding some parsley to give a special touch to it, but if you want to replace it to other things, you can add it, okay? I also added 600 grams of flour. Here we are going to knead it very well until it's all smooth. There's no secret, guys. In 5 minutes, it's pretty like this. And now we're going to let it there until it doubles the size. Here it took about 30 minutes. After that, we are going to put it on the counter and open it with a roll this way. Let's fill it with a lot of mozzarella that it's gonna let it even more delicious. And around here, you can see that this recipe is a success. Now let's put all the boards together like this, and then the filling will be all concentrated in the middle of the dough. Let's put it in a greased form with oil or butter. I'm using a pizza form, okay? Then it's gonna be round. But if you wanna use another one, you can do it. I made little holes with a fork and brush an egg yolk. Then take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes or until you see that on top of it, it's already brown. And take a look at it, guys. It is already filled from the oven. It's amazing as the dough is seasoned with garlic. It's super tasty with a lot of flavor, and this cheese in the middle gives a special touch to it. I recommend you guys to eat it as soon as it's out from the oven so the cheese can be very melted. But guys, this bread is a success. Make it at your house and I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna be surprised. And if you want to change the filling, put some ham or other things, you can do it, okay? Use your creativity, that I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing as well. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you for watching this video until here and see you guys around.